The only thing I don't like about it is because the cord is not very long. If you forget a extension cord, then you're kind of not be able to get to a nice sitting position. Literally, it's the only thing I don't like about it. But it does do what it's supposed to do. And it does make my legs kind of feel kind of jiggly after I get up. If you do this for about an hour. But yeah, this is a pretty good little machine though. Super quiet. And I can't even put this underneath my office desk. I'm working on the computer. I even sometimes get on the recliner and watch TV. And it works pretty good. Anyways, giving y'all a video.
Hello to those who are watching. I really enjoyed using this for the 10 minutes that I was, until I realized the remote was universal. Anything within range will pick up the signal. Just happens that I bought 3 of these, and if one of us is going to use one and turn it on, the remote is going to control all of them simultaneously. As you can see, the remote for the other device is sitting on top of the box. It is only for that reason that I will be returning these. But the device itself, if you just have one, it does work great. So as soon as they replace the universal remote, this product will be great.
Hi, I did just purchase this. I've had it for 2 weeks now, and as you can see, there's a timer that's on there. Here's the remote. You can do different functions. You can change the direction. So I'll press the button now, and then it automatically changes directions. I have a job where I am sitting for a good part of the day. I forget to stand up and move, so this is very, very helpful for that. It keeps my joints moving, and I'm very happy that I purchased this, and I think it's definitely worth the money. Thanks.
Well, here it is. I gotta say, it feels kind of good. It feels like, if nothing else, it will help keep my blood clot issue. Oh, it just went backwards. Okay, cool. It switched directions on me. It actually feels good. It's like keeps the blood flowing. It's just, it's very gentle, but it is a little, it's not super quiet. And you can see, like, my knees are, close to the top of the desk, but I lifted my desk up just a little bit, but I can definitely still work while I'm doing this, no problem. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with it so far. Okay, talk.
I got my new machine. It works great. My feet feel better. My knees feel better. I'm doing it pretty much every day now. And it really, really, really helps me. That's it. Bye.
It's not rocket science. Fly me to the moon. Buy or rent on digital now.
Sure, you could go out into the real world. Or you could stay home. From hunger, they've known no other life but a life of suffering.
No animal should have to go hungry. With your support today, you will help feed a hungry animal. You can fill their hole, but you have to make your urgent life-saving gift today.
My car, if I was paying attention. She didn't scoot into the front end of your bumper.
That's not what happened. What I was trying to get at is that we merged at a V point where the collision was.
That's impossible.
It's very quiet. You can barely hear it. Smooth operation. And plus you can fold the pedals up when you're finished.
Day, isn't it? All that rain.
And the growing political turmoil at those stories much more. See you back in. Although I don't know.
Then knock on it to the one.
When Danny told that story, without one pun, without one
support and collaborate on that.
Okay. Oh, thank you. You're helping us with violent criminals now. Well, of course, these blue state mayors.
Canine cuisine is a better way. Introducing new Roxxon Gel, the first FDA-cleared eating treatment available without.
That's MEIDAS15 at checkout. That's 15% off for new customers at theperfectgene.ny.
You feel how we're letting go. I'm gonna kill you and everybody in this place.
Stop. And then I stop for a second. And I'm going to take another video. I'm going to take a picture too.